want to speak English more clearly and naturally? To sound smoother, more confident, more like a native speaker? Today we're going to practice exactly that. Welcome to Clearly English, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Today is a beginner shadowing practice episode. And shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to improve your speaking. The best part? All you have to do is listen and repeat. That's it. I'll say a phrase and you say it back. Listen and repeat. And don't worry about being perfect. You just need to use your voice and practice. Before we begin, if you are enjoying Clearly English, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And when you finish today, leave a comment below and tell us which phrase felt the most natural for you to say. So Alex, are you ready to shadow with us?
I'm ready. And honestly, I really want to sound more natural when I speak. Sometimes I feel like my English sounds a little stiff or robotic, so I'm hoping this helps.
It absolutely will, and that's exactly what shadowing is great for. So let me explain what shadowing is in simple words. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and then you repeat it out loud. You copy the sound, you copy the rhythm, you copy the natural flow. It's like being an echo. You hear it and you say it right back.
So I'm just copying what you say.
Exactly. You're copying. And when you copy, something wonderful happens. Your mouth learns the shape of the words. Your ears get used to the sounds. Your rhythm becomes more natural, and your confidence grows, all at the same time. That's why shadowing is so powerful. It trains everything together.
That makes sense. So it's not just speaking, it's listening and rhythm too.
All of it together. Now let me give you simple instructions for today. First, listen to the phrase. Second, repeat it clearly and out loud. Third, don't worry about being perfect. And fourth, if a phrase feels hard, just repeat it again. That's the whole method. Listen, repeat, relax, repeat again. Alex, let's try one right now. Listen and repeat. Good morning.
Good morning.
Perfect. See how easy that is? You just shadowed. And everyone listening, try it too. Use your voice. Even if you're on a bus or walking, just whisper it. Speaking out loud is what makes this work. So let's begin. Round 1. Short daily phrases. These are simple, everyday phrases you'll use all the time. Listen and repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Take care.
Take care.
Perfect. Those are your short daily phrases. How did those feel, Alex?
Really comfortable. They're short, so it's easy to copy the rhythm.
Exactly. Short phrases are perfect for shadowing because you can really focus on the sound and the flow. Let's do a few again, and this time match my rhythm exactly. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Beautiful. And everyone listening, are you repeating out loud? Keep going. Every time you repeat, you're getting a little more natural. Now let's move to round 2. Daily life sentences. These are slightly longer. They're things you might say during a normal day. Listen and repeat. I'm going to work.
I'm going to work.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
I'm making dinner.
I'm making dinner.
I'm a little tired today.
I'm a little tired today.
I had a busy morning.
I had a busy morning.
I'm going home now.
I'm going home now.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
I'll be there soon.
I'll be there soon.
Excellent. Those daily life sentences are so useful. And notice they're still simple, just a little longer than round 1. Let's repeat a few. I'm going to work.
I'm going to work.
I'm a little tired today.
I'm a little tired today.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
Perfect. You're doing great. Now let's move to round 3, questions and answers. This time we'll practice both a question and a simple answer. This helps you in real conversations. Listen and repeat. How was your day?
How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
It was busy, but good.
What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
I'm staying home.
I'm staying home.
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, that sounds good.
Yes, that sounds good.
Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
Sure, no problem.
Sure, no problem.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. So now you have questions and answers ready. And that's powerful because conversations are made of questions and answers. When you can do both, you can have a real conversation. Let's repeat a couple. How was your day?
How was your day?
It was busy but good.
It was busy, but good.
Good. Now let's do round 4, natural rhythm practice. This is where shadowing gets really fun. In natural English, we connect some words together. They flow, and when you copy that flow, you start to sound more natural. Let me show you. Listen carefully. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Good. Now, in fast, natural speech, it often sounds like, what you doing? Try that.
What you doing?
Perfect. Both are correct, but hearing the natural version helps you understand native speakers. Now, I'm going to work. In natural speech, it sounds like, I'm gonna work. Try it.
I'm gonna work.
Good. Now, let me know.
Let me know.
In natural speech, let me know. Try it.
Let me know.
Perfect. Now, I want to try.
I want to try.
Natural version, I want to try.
I want to try.
Good. Now, I have to go.
I have to go.
Natural version, I gotta go.
I gotta go.
Perfect. And one more. See you later.
See you later.
Natural version, see you later.
See you later.
Excellent. Now, here's something important. You don't have to use the natural, fast versions when you speak. The full versions are perfect, but learning the natural versions helps you understand native speakers when they talk fast, so it helps your listening too.
That's good to know because I always get confused when people say things like gonna and wanna.
And now they won't confuse you because you've practiced them. Let's repeat a few. I'm gonna work.
I'm gonna work.
Let me know.
Let me know.
I gotta go.
I gotta go.
Perfect. Now let's move to round 5, mini dialogue shadowing. We're going to do short conversations, and after each one, you'll repeat the key lines. First, greeting someone. Listen.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Have a great day.
You too. See you later. Now let's shadow the key lines. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Perfect. Now, talking about your day. Listen.
How was your day?
It was busy, but good. How about you?
Pretty good. Little tired.
Now shadow the key lines. How was your day?
How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
It was busy, but good.
A little tired.
A little tired.
Good. Now making simple plans. Listen.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm staying home. What about you?
Same. Maybe I'll watch a movie.
Now shadow these. What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
I'm staying home.
I'm staying home.
Maybe I'll watch a movie.
Maybe I'll watch a movie.
Perfect. Now ordering coffee. Listen.
Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium, please. Thank you.
Now shadow these. Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Medium, please. Thank you.
Medium, please. Thank you.
Good. And now saying goodbye. Listen.
Okay, I have to go now.
All right, take care.
You too. See you later.
Now shadow these. I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Take care.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later.
Beautiful. Those mini dialogues are exactly like real conversations. And now you've practiced both sides. How did those feel, Alex?
Really natural.
When I shadow a whole conversation like that, it feels like I'm actually talking to someone.
Exactly, and that's the goal. Now let's do some focused listener practice. Everyone listening, I want you to repeat with Alex. Alex is going to be your practice partner. Say these out loud together. I can speak clearly.
I can speak clearly.
I can sound more natural.
I can sound more natural.
I improve with practice.
I improve with practice.
I'm getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day.
My English is improving.
My English is improving.
I can do this.
I can do this.
Perfect. And everyone listening, did you say those out loud with Alex? Those are not just shadowing phrases. Those are true. You can speak clearly. You can sound more natural. You improve with practice. Now let's talk about some common shadowing problems, because I want to help you practice in the best way. Alex, what do you think is a common problem when people shadow?
Probably speaking too quietly. I know sometimes I just mumble the words instead of saying them clearly.
That's a great point. Speaking too quietly is very common, and the fix is simple. Speak up. Use a clear voice, even if you feel a little silly. A clear, confident voice helps your mouth practice properly. So don't just whisper everything. Say it clearly.
Okay, speak clearly, not quietly.
Exactly. Another common problem is trying to be perfect. Some learners stop after every small mistake. But shadowing is not about perfection, it's about practice. So if you make a mistake, just keep going. Don't stop. Don't worry. Just keep shadowing.
That's a relief, because I do stop a lot when I make mistakes.
Don't stop. Keep flowing. Another problem is feeling embarrassed. Some people feel silly talking out loud, especially alone. But remember, this is practice. Athletes practice, musicians practice. You're practicing your voice. There's nothing embarrassing about that. It's smart.
I like that. It's not silly, it's practice.
Exactly. Another problem is not matching the rhythm. Sometimes learners say the words, but with the wrong rhythm. The fix is to listen carefully first. Notice where the stress is, and then copy it. Listen, then copy. Don't rush. And the last problem is getting tired. Shadowing uses energy, so if you get tired, that's okay. Take a break. Even 5 minutes of shadowing a day is great. You don't have to do an hour. Small daily practice is perfect.
So I can just do a little bit each day?
A little bit each day. That's the secret. Consistency beats intensity. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Now let's do our final shadowing challenge. I'm going to give you a series of really useful daily English sentences. Repeat each one out loud with confidence. Ready, Alex? And everyone listening, repeat too.
Ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going?
How's it going?
I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm going to work now.
I'm going to work now.
I had a busy day.
I had a busy day.
I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Let me know.
Let me know.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
I'm going home now.
I'm going home now.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Take care.
Take care.
Perfect. You just shadowed a whole series of useful daily English. And everyone listening, if you said those out loud, you did real speaking practice. Your mouth practiced, your ears practiced, your rhythm practiced, and your confidence grew. How do you feel, Alex?
Honestly, really good. My mouth feels more comfortable with the words now, like they flow easier than at the beginning of the episode.
That's exactly what happens. At the start, the words feel a little stiff. By the end, they flow. That's the power of shadowing. And here's the most important thing. Shadowing works through repetition. The more you do it, the more natural you sound. So come back to this episode. Listen and repeat again. Tomorrow, the next day. The more times you shadow these phrases, the more automatic they become.
So I should just keep repeating the episode?
Yes. Play it again whenever you have a few minutes. In the morning, on your commute, while you're cooking, while you're walking. Just listen and repeat. And little by little, your speaking will become smoother, clearer, and more natural. Thank you so much for practicing with us today on Clearly English. If this episode helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And leave a comment below and tell us which phrase felt the most natural for you to say. Practice it one more time in the comments. Remember, shadowing is simple. Listen and repeat. That's it. And every time you do it, you get a little better. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking every day. We believe in you. See you next time.
See you next time.